Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another little random haul. I picked up a couple of things from a couple of different stores and it just made more sense for me to show you everything that I got together. So the first thing I want to talk about are the two products I picked up from Victoria's Secret. I haven't shopped at Victoria's Secret and I can't tell you how long, but I wanted to go for these two items and that's all I left with. So I feel really good about that. Not, buying unnecessary things. But the first thing I picked up is this hand sanitizer. This is one of their hand sanitizer sprays, and this one is in fresh coconut. I smelled this, one of our friends, we had lunch with them, and she sprayed her hands and it just smelled so good. It just has a really light, fresh coconut scent. It smells so good. If you don't like coconut, you are going to hate this. But I loved that my hands didn't feel sticky. I didn't have any weird residue on my hands, and my boyfriend also liked the way it smelled. So at least whenever I get scents, I always like to make sure that both him and I like the way it smells, and he liked the way it smelled. So that was just kind of a win-win. But I do really, really love the way this smells, and I like the little packaging. I saw that they had this a while ago, but scents are one of those things where I don't like getting unless I smell it. I don't usually just buy scents just online. I like to smell things and then kind of go from there. So the next and last thing that I picked up from Victoria's Secret is this Warm and Cozy body mist. I've been getting more into body mist, but we're not going anywhere, so perfumes I don't really feel is necessary. Body mists tend to last on my skin a long time, so I'm very appreciative of that. So I've heard so many things about this one scent, and this is Warm and Cozy. This is soft vanilla, toasted coconut, and passion fruit. On me, it pulls a lot more vanilla-y than anything else. And I'm really, really bad at describing the way things smell, especially when they have so many different things. But this is one of those scents because you can smell it right in the cap. This is one of those scents that I smelled it and I was like, this smells like Victoria's Secret. Like, I had no other explanation, no other description, and I explained it to my boyfriend. I was like, this smells like Victoria's Secret. And he was like, yeah, when you walk in, this is what Victoria's Secret smells like. They bottled it up and they sold it to me. But I do like this. I think this is just really nice, really light, really fresh. And if you don't like vanilla, I would pass on this because it does have a really strong vanilla scent. I don't really smell tons of coconut, but I do smell a little bit of passion fruit. So keep that in mind if you're ordering things online. The next two things that I picked up were from Michael's, from Michael's, and they are the Swarovski. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I always get tongue twisted when saying this, but they're rhinestones. I've really, really been into rhinestones and just putting them all over my face. So yes, these are going to be going on my face, not my nails. And I have a couple of others, but I wanted to get some colors, and I just really liked both of these. They were buy one, get one 50% off, and I just couldn't debate. I couldn't decide between either one, so that's why I decided to just get both. This one has a dark purple, a lavender, and a dark blue, and they just look so, so pretty. I love the way these sparkle. And then these, you get your normal white ones. And this one, I feel like on camera, it's picking up a lot more pink, but it's like a pink and a champagne had a baby and put it in a rhinestone. And I really, really love pink. And this color just looked so, so nice. And teal. I love teal. I do love teal. So this was just a really, really good option for me. I was hoping that there was going to be maybe gold, pink, and teal, but they didn't have that option because I already have some of these that aren't even open, but I figure it's just one of those colors that you can never have enough. So this is the other one that I have that I haven't yet opened, but this one has stars, and you also get pearls as well as you get it. Last store we went to was Ulta. I saw that they had a sale on some Kylie products, and there were some things that I wanted to get one backup of my highlighter because I've been using this highlighter too much that I had to push it aside. I'm not going to swatch it because I already have one, but it's just kind of all the way in there somewhere. But this is her packaging. Her highlighters bronzers, blushes, and her concealers are $8 on sale. So yeah, but this is Queen Drip, and this is seriously one of the most stunning highlighters I own. This is top 5 highlighters. I haven't used this in a really long time because I was using it a little too much, but you want a blinding highlight, this is it. It is so pretty. You know what, let me do a swatch because I do see it. It's like right here. I was like, maybe I did have it because I was, yeah. On camera, I swear this just doesn't pick up the way it needs to pick up, but it is so pretty. It's like a peachy champagne highlight, and it's just the perfect combination of so many different, you know, just so many different, it's so pretty. So pretty. How many times can I say that? The next one that I picked up is a bronzer, and I do have one of her bronzers, but I needed something a little darker, so I picked up Toasty, and I do love her packaging so much, but I thought this was going to be a beautiful, just everyday neutral blush. Not blush, bronzer. I'm looking for something kind of similar to my Hoola. I do want to see if they're kind of similar, just looking at it, because I have seen. So let's do a quick little comparison. This is Hoola and this is Toasty. I don't know, I feel like, yeah, I feel like this might be a perfect nose contour, and you can never have enough nose contour powders, right? At least I don't feel like I can. The next and last Kylie product I picked up was her concealer. I've never tried her concealers before, but I've heard really good things about it. And $8, yeah, that's drugstore prices when it comes to concealers. So this is what it looks like, and the shade that I picked up is Maple. I do want to see how well, or how the color looks. The color looks really nice, honestly. I think on camera it's picking up a lot lighter than it is in person, but I think this might be a really good match for me. So I'm really excited and curious to see about this formula. So yes, and the last thing I picked up is this lip liner. This is from NYX. This is the one with a really long name. It's like, hold on, I'm gonna take the plastic off and then I can tell you what it is called. Slide on, glide on, stay on, and definitely a turn on waterproof extreme color lip liner. This lip liner is so good, the name had to be this long, and the shade that I got is Intimidate. And this one girl I follow on Instagram, and I subscribe to her YouTube channel. She swears by this color, and it just looks so nice, and we're very similar in skin tones, and I feel like you can just never have enough brown lip liners. This is actually a lot darker than I was expecting, so kind of excited. I feel like I just can't have enough brown lip liners. But that is it. That is it for my little haul. I told you it wasn't much, but I was just really excited about everything. And I also wanted to tell you about the sale going on at Ulta. So in case you do like any of Kylie Cosmetics products, definitely go because things are on sale. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you've tried her concealers and what you think about it. And if you have, and if you know this fragrance and any of their other fragrances that you may like, because I do want to go. I just literally went to Victoria's Secret for these two things and nothing else. So that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon.